Next up, the client is king for Black Mous. In this, we need to complete 8 contracts in 8 unique POIs in one deployment. Basically, just run around the map. That's it. So you'll need to do a mission in each POI, which is each named section of the island or map that you're currently on. So for example, we'll go to Al Basra maybe. There should be more missions to do here, although definitely more ground to cover as well. Alright, so one in Hafid port here. Obviously these are a bit more sparse, but there are tons more locations on the map, and hopefully most of them shouldn't be taken by the time that we get there. So with literally only one here, I'll have to do the only option. Obviously this mission might be faster if you have more people, but of course you can still only have one contract going at a time, so it's not really going to be that much faster. Right, so let's grab the first mission here, and I'll add a feed to my list of locations we've been. So now obviously we do need to complete this mission, so this is one of the worst missions, I'd have to say. I would really appreciate it if AI wasn't trying to kill my vehicle too. And there we go, that is the Hafid port mission done. Right, next up, let's see if we can get one here while we're at this location. Ship cargo, good enough. It's a similar mission and it'll take us halfway across the map. There's no shorter missions here, at least from what I can see. So I'll add Hydro to my list and we'll simply head across there. Okay, let's go. Are you kidding me? That's cool. That's really cool. I love this game. Okay, let's try this again. And of course, we're in the middle of freaking nowhere. Cool. Well, let's go ahead and get one. Oh, wow. That's not a point of interest. That's a point of interest. That's not good. You know what? Maybe a secure supplies mission won't be so bad. Come on, I'm spamming fucking G. Please be here. Probably not. It's in the city, I'm sure. No, okay. So that was Tarek. Now we need to go into the town and do a mission there. Let's do the same mission here. In fact, I don't even know if that mission will count. It's so far away. Maybe. Start making our way towards the town because I'm sure they'll be in the town that we need to go. Not really. Okay. Okay, that's 2. So we've done Al Basra, I suppose. Now we need to go pretty far away. Okay, so let's go to the Mouise Marsh. We'll do this mission down there. Right, let's quickly grab this up here. Okay, there's one here. Okay, so that is 2. As much as I would like to hang around, I unfortunately need to get going to Al Sharim Pass pretty much straight away. So that was Mouisa, and we did City. Right, so let's get some more missions up here, hopefully. We have a Destroy Supplies, Secure Intel. Let's do this one here. Now, where do we need to go? Probably down or up. Hopefully not up. Down. I don't mind that. Finally, the last one. Here we go. Now we need to get going to Al Malik Airport. Perfect. There's a mission here. Now we obviously need to get to the water. Where are we going? We're going to the left. This is taking us to somewhere we don't really want to be, but whatever, we don't have much of a choice. So we'll grab a PWC and head for Al Bagra, I suppose. Don't really have much choice. Right, so with a bit more speed, that was the airport, that was number 5. We can only do this one down here. That should be number 6. Now, of course, this would be a good idea to start it on the side of a map with the radiation zone, so when it starts spreading, at least I can keep doing missions. I'm going to be forced into this section of the map for which there are no missions. That's very cool. I doubt we can finish 3 in 8 minutes, but maybe, just maybe. 1, 2, 3 possibly? I don't know. Okay, there we go. Now we need to get out of here. Next one, this one. That was just under 2 minutes, or just over 2 minutes, one of the two. Hopefully this HVT is in the area, otherwise I'll be pretty upset. Somewhere here, please? Probably not. Okay. Okay, so that's one done. Now we need to quickly get across to the last location and do another mission. So grabbing a land vehicle, let's go ahead and do maybe this one. This should hopefully be the last one and we'll be done with this mission. Let's get back to that quad and quickly finish this off. Just as well because we have a while to travel. Bro, this last thing's at the bottom of the ocean. I'm actually gonna die trying to reach this. That is so broken. This is garbage. Can't believe it. Anyways, well, you saw how it should have ended, so I'll end this video here. Thank you all for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.